Dear Abdul and Kathara, I want to take a moment of your time to thank you both and your family for choosing to purchase this gorgeous home. My sellers have created beautiful memories in this place and are so happy to know that it will soon be in your good hands. This is no ordinary home. It is made of love and dreams. Now it is yours. On behalf of my sellers, thank you so much. This is it. Move in ready. Check out this beautiful home located in one of the desirable areas in Modesto. Step inside the home to find an open and bright floor plan with a formal and casual entertaining space. Great kitchen layout with corner sink and center island, a bedroom, and a full bathroom downstairs. The spacious master suite can easily accommodate large-scale furnishings and the walk-in closet is ideal. Freshly painted garage and clean as a whistle. The amenities include updated engineered hardwood flooring, stainless steel appliances, water softener, and lots of storage throughout. Additionally, an updated low-maintenance front and backyard landscaping. The huge backyard features a lot of fruit trees, with a possible RV parking space and an area to build a pool. This is the best house in the neighborhood that you can now consider your home. Thank you.